Hello, YouTube. It's Chris, and I'm back in the Bolt again today. Hey, and I'm reaching out to Bolt Nation here for some help. After 2 years and over 30,000 kilometers in the car, I've run into my first problem. I've taken it to the dealer, and they have not been able to diagnose it. So basically what's happening here is whenever I walk up to the car and it's been sitting for a while, I open up one of the doors, I'll hear this sort of like electrical pump noise. Pop, 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 pop. I've been able to record it twice for you, and I'm hoping that some smart guy on the internet can tell me what that is so that I can help Chevy diagnose the problem. So I'm going to play it for you, and if anybody can figure it out, please let me know. Okay, what you're listening for is a pump noise. It usually happens either when you're driving or when the car's been sitting and you open one of the doors for the first time. It doesn't matter what door, the back hatch or any of the doors. But listen for this pump sound. I believe it's coming from the front. Here we go. Let's see if we can catch it. There it is. You got it. So yeah, I don't know. It's not a big deal. The car's not throwing any codes or anything like that, so there's nothing wrong with the car. But obviously, I don't want it to make that noise. And anybody, if they've come across this with their car or had the problem solved, I would really appreciate your help. Thanks. Until next time. Talk to you guys later.